बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft videos signing in, and I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very amazing denim jeans recycling craft ideas. These are very beautiful and very incredible and very amazing denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. These are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these denim jeans recycling ideas. These are amazing and very unique craft ideas for you guys. So thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are amazing and very unique denim jeans ideas. So guys, you recycle them, your old jeans, into new creations. And if you want different other craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon. So guys, always take care, always be happy. These are very amazing and very unique recycle craft ideas. And you also watch different kind of tutorials on YouTube about how to make these craft ideas at home. This is very cheap in prices. So guys, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are best and very amazing denim jeans recycling craft ideas. Follow for more details. And keep me in your prayers. Subscribe my channel These are very amazing and very unique and very beautiful ideas for you guys. So guys, keep me in your prayers. So guys, keep me in your prayers. Always think positive. These are very beautiful and very amazing denim jeans ideas for you guys to recycle them. So hope so you like this video and share this video with your friends and keep me in your prayers. And if you want different other kind of videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel. So guys, take care of yourself. Always remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz guys.